This is Dean DeCosta, and we are going to look at my number 3 Boolean builder. This is a Boolean builder called Colleague. It sits in, believe it or not, Internet Explorer, and it does a pretty good job of building the strings and stuff for you. But what's good about it is, like I said, it's Internet Explorer. Not everybody can use Chrome, which is what my other tools worked in. This one works in Internet Explorer. So first of all, you decide where you're going to use it, whether it's Google or Bing. Those are pretty much your only choices. And then you guys decide to search, and you want to search Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, whatever you're going to do. And now I added Google to it, so you can add other places to search. In this case, we're going to do LinkedIn. And then we're going to go ahead and go here and decide what we're searching for. Now, here's where the good part comes. You get to sit down and decide what you're going to search for. So we are going to search for Java, let's say. And then you just go ahead and search, and it'll go ahead and bring it up for you. So it's simple LinkedIn Java search. But it's really interesting is that you can do more than just this. There are ways to do more. You see what it did here, site. This is where you can add sites you want to add to it, which is what I've done. Over here, you can do other things. So we're going to go back to the LinkedIn search. Here is where you get to add other options. So in this case, we want to say an exact match. They have to have Java. Just have to have it. And we have that already right there. Let's add another option. We're going to go ahead and say do not include, and we're going to say Windows. We don't want to include Windows. And there you go, and it will search, and it's going to look for it. You see it said Java minus Windows. So there you go. It actually creates the string for you, puts it in. We did want to search LinkedIn. We added parameters, search for this, don't search for this. And that's great. Now, some of the other things you can add it to search for is things like words starting, list of alternatives, nearby words, words in title, words in URL, documents, CVs. Now, CVs is good because CV is curriculum vitae, which is basically a resume. Documents is great because most resumes on the net are going to be some type of a document, whether it's PDF, Word doc, text, RTF. So it allows you to do all that. It's a great tool. And does a good job. It's not a tool that I leave on all the time. I actually disable it when I'm not using it because it can eat up resources and can make it a little hard to start Internet Explorer at times. But when I need it, I enable it, and it's there. I do what I got to do. When I don't need any more, disable it, and I'm good to go. This is Dean DeCosta, and this was my number 3 Boolean builder, Colleague, and it is an Internet Explorer add-on. Thank you.